Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to calculate age from a birth year. So open an Excel sheet. Let's say we want to find out the number of years from the birth year. So we'll put a formula which is equals to dated if open parenthesis and select the cell of your birth age and comma. We'll write today because we want this birth year in we want to calculate age in today's date. So open and closing parenthesis and then put again a comma and we'll quote y because we want to know the years, and again the quotation marks and then close the parenthesis. Click on enter. As you can see, it's now shown that the person is 33 years old. If we drag and down, we can calculate the rest of our birth dates too. We can drag and down and know the birth or know the age of the another person too. So this is how you can calculate age in Excel with a birth year. So hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.